What's good, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm like, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm like, hey, which one I'm on? I'm on. Hey, KB's World 1.0. Let's go. We're gonna do another unboxing. And the shoes been coming in left and right. They're coming in left and right. The shoe guys ain't working for me for the Travis Scotts, but I done hit on the Jordan 4s. Retro. I don't even know what you call it. It's Carolina blue. Whatever, I don't know, but BAM! Let's go, y'all. Yeah, y'all see the box. What's in there, you know? Size 10. You know, we always go size 10, size 9.5. Open that bad boy up. That smooth wrap, you know, and then you always know that. A little, you know, concrete kind of mixed with black dab. That's a J, that's cement. Boom! Man, what a dope shoe. What a dope shoe though. What a dope shoe. Jordan 4s. I'll say one of my favorite Jordans. Life of a YouTuber, y'all. You know, life happens. So my son, you know, start crying a little bit. I had to go check on him, make sure he was good. And there he goes again. There he goes again. All right, so we brought little man in. You know, say hello, say hi. He's watching the video or watching the cartoons in there, and he got tired. He got tired. You okay? So we got the shoe. We got the Jordan 4. You got the Jordan 4. Let's tell them what it's about, Kason. So you got that unique tongue right there. Put that in focus if we can get it in focus. Probably not. All right. So you got the flight, the Jordan on the bottom. That's funny. All right. You got the Jordan tag right here with the 23 on the side. That's unique about the Jordan 4 or this Jordan 4. You got the the web right here is, so all these blues are different, but they just clash. They not clash on. They come together real well. So I think that web kind of matches the shoelaces there. And then you have the cement like we were talking about on the box on the tabs, the back, and the side. There goes your bottom sole right there, and then you know you got the upside down Air Jordan. That's on the inside of the tongue, as usual, per usual. You know, it's just a dope shoe and a dope colorway. However, I don't usually you know, wear sky blue, honestly. So let me know, y'all, in the comments. Should I put these on for the streets, you know, or should I hold on to them? Because man, it's a dope colorway. It's a dope shoe. I know people out there wanting them, so you know they might find a new home. But we'll see. But I'm glad Kason let me do the video. You know, make sure you're a part of it. You know, say hi to the people. Say hi. There you go. All right, so until next time, take care of each other. Long live D-Mac.